Well, Mr. Jeremy's just full of surprises. Apparently he bought this, by the way, welcome to part 3. He bought this Budweiser decal that we're just gonna Zeus right in there after we, oh, here's the,
cutters.
The
good old cutters.
There you go. All right, we got the old Weiser tape down. Let's paint on it. I've got to pee like a chained up dog, but I ain't got time. Actually, I do, but I'm gonna make myself have not enough time. Some bright morning when this life is over, I'll fly away. I can't get a beat with this thing because it's too. Okay. Here goes squat diddly. Got a little bit more left. Might as well get you in on life's biggest screw up. I thought it would look better because I've used red on it before, but not candy apple mother red. So we'll fix on it, but it looks like it's been tagged by MS 17.3. Yeah, that didn't pan out. But I did paint my rims today. Pearl white. They look good. They look better off camera. But I mean, don't get me wrong, they look good. Of course I had to do two sides. I have discovered today that the fourth most boring, well, the fourth, third, second, and first most boring things in the world are watching paint dry. So, yeah. But now tomorrow's video is gonna be good. We're gonna cook hot dogs on this baby and hits them into our system. On our, we're gonna call her Oh Glory. I'll fly away, oh glory. Well, we're not gonna die, but hopefully. While we're waiting, I'm gonna show you a cheap and easy way to stop cracks like that happening in your building. Ready? There you go. That'll save it right there. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Oh, it's a gold grease lightning burning up the quarter mile. My Ford truck and me. Oh wait, someone else's Ford truck and me. Well, on a scale of 1 to 10, that came out a 5. Not terrible. Not great. But kind of direct your eyes down here. You know, there, 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 and there. And the weld work, she's good. Alright, well, I think that's going to about wrap it up for the restoration of this Budweiser barbecue. If you want to see more pictures of what it looked like before, let me know. I'll make a special video for that. If not, you can, I mean, half of the people that are going to watch this, I have your number anyway. I'll just text it to you. But, anyway, this was dedicated to Max and his wonderful wife, Margaret, at Possum Holler Garage. They are wonderful people. They don't get any better than them. And, I'm not going to give their last name, obviously, but it looked, I mean, it was green, rusted out. That was just an old oil pan. We Zeused them together, sanded. Well, I did all that. And we got it put back together. And tomorrow there's going to be a video of us using it, barbecuing. Thanks for watching. No. If you want to see pictures, let me know. If not, just look at the thumbnails, really. And that's the end result. Red, white, and blue. Because we all need to remember in these uncertain times that we're all still Americans. And that's what we need to know. All right, thank y'all so much for watching. God bless you. Like and subscribe. I'll see you.